round of applause for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, industry, trade, tourism, lands and mineral resources with us here this morning at the Micro and Small Business Grant Disbursement here with us in Savusavu. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to...
Deputy Secretary and senior government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulabinak and Bulasia, and a very good morning to all of you. It's always a pleasure for me to be here in Hidden Paradise, not only because of its beautiful scenery, but also because of the wonderful people that I get to meet in Savusavu. However, ladies and gentlemen, today's visit is rather special because we are here for the Micro and Small Business Grant Disbursement to the successful grant recipients of Savusavu for the 2016-2017 trans. Today, ladies and gentlemen, marks the third occasion the ministry is in Savusavu, and this is also the 26th phase of the Micro and Small Business Grant Disbursement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is also indeed a very proud moment as the Fijian government has invested a total of $14.5 million to support 15,018 micro entrepreneurs thus far. And the continuous support given to the MSBG initiative portrays the Fijian government's commitment to improve the standard of living and provide sustainable livelihoods for all Fijians. The MSBG initiative, ladies and gentlemen, also serves as a platform in mainstreaming informal micro and small entrepreneurs into the formal sector. This will assist the government in formulating policies to enhance sustainable growth in our MSME sector. MSMEs play a vital and major role in most economies, particularly in developing countries. And formal MSMEs contribute about 60% of total employment and up to about 40% in terms of national income and GDP in emerging economies. These numbers are significantly higher when informal MSMEs are formalized. This is the one main objective of the Fijian government. By formalizing MSMEs, we are able to account for your actual contribution to the Fijian economy and to give you all the recognition and the support that you deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, in Fiji, MSMEs are present in all 21 industries that contribute towards the Fijian gross domestic product. However, the exact contribution of the MSMEs to the GDP is difficult to gauge as a large number of the operators are in the informal sector. Through the MSBG grant, the Fijian government has been able to formalize over 15,000 micro and small business entrepreneurs. And by having a strong and resilient MSMEs, we are able to grow the economy from within, and we are empowering Fijians. And you are helping in making Fiji more resilient to external shocks and to market fluctuations. We are very fortunate, ladies and gentlemen, that our Honorable Prime Minister is the champion of this program, which will ensure that this program continues to receive the required impetus at the highest level. And I sincerely apologize that he can't be here today. He has some prior things that he had to attend to before he takes off for COP23 in Germany. And one of the reasons why the Honorable Prime Minister is so passionate about this program is that we are able to provide support to the smallest of the small businesses. That is, the businesses or individuals that financial institutions do not consider bankable. It has been proven through studies by the World Bank that MSMEs are less likely to obtain bank loans, and MSMEs, instead, they rely on internal funds or cash from friends and family and are vulnerable to unscrupulous moneylenders. It should be noted that even the formal MSMEs around the world do not have access to formal credit. Therefore, the MSBG initiative is to provide you with a leg up and give you the necessary tools to access finance. And by receiving your grant, your details are now part of the ministry and FDB's database. And this will assist you in obtaining further credit once you are able to demonstrate your success in your present venture. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, today we will be providing support to 1,006 recipients with a total government investment of $984,401. And Savusavu has the second largest number of grant recipients in the north. This grant will go towards your various business ventures that range from canteens, livestock farming and tailoring, to name a few. And we encourage you also to incorporate innovation, creativity and thinking outside the box in your business models. For example, if to overcome your small size, you can adopt clusters or turn yourselves into a cooperative model of business to strengthen your bargaining power in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to reiterate that this grant is not a handout, but a leg up. And the purpose of this grant is to improve your livelihood in the long run. Therefore, the recipients will progress and they will be monitored by the ministry 6 months from now. The monitoring will enable us to evaluate the impact of the support provided to your business and how has it improved your livelihoods. And through this process, we will also be able to determine the training and even the additional support that you will need or require. So I urge each and every one of you to utilize the grant for its real intended purpose and strive for the betterment of your business and your livelihood. And on that note, I wish to reiterate that the ministry will provide the needed training and the business development support services that will allow your businesses to expand and to grow bigger. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has placed its trust in you and that you will make use of this particular investment, not only to start or expand your business, but to grow and become more competitive in the market. And as the saying goes, in order to grow big, you need to start small. And Savusavu is not small. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the very best in your business ventures. And once again, thank you for the warm welcome to Savusavu. Thank you very much.
Antipani Lingabalabu. I say the county Tambua. Anaseni Antibute. Anaseni Alosio Diraki. Alopete Rakesa. Amali Untakapu.
Thank you.
Brandon. David Lenya. Delanimiti. Eliki Pitlemet. Eliki. Joseph Maloney.